Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel guys. So today I'm making this video because my Tesla got into an accident. Somebody rear-ended me in a parking lot. As you can see right here, the bumper pushed out. They got a little bit of buckle right here, and then down here is where the worst of it is. You can see this rip that gone in. The trunk right here, the trunk lid is also damaged. So yeah guys, so it happened on January the 20th. So it happened on January the 20th, and now is February the 12th. That's the earliest I got to drop it off. So I drop it off now, so I just have to wait on the car, make sure everything is good. They call their insurance, so everything will be taken care of through their insurance. And I also will be filing for diminished value. That's something I just learned about, so I will take you guys throughout that throughout that whole process, so you guys can just be there with me and see what's going to take place right here. Yeah guys, that's it. My car got hit, and so I was driving, I come to a stop. There was a stop sign, and then I just feel boom in my car, and then yeah, but the person was nice about it. They came out, we do what we gotta do. And now I had to wait a few days, almost a month, to get Tesla to give me an appointment to bring the car in, and now the appointment is here. I'm also picking up a rental from Hertz. So yeah, I wanted to make a video of what it feels like to own a Tesla, what it is like, all the experience I have. But I will be making a video like that soon. So I guess my car just pulled up. All right, let's see. Hey YouTube, so I finally get back the Tesla guys. You can see, walk around. Well, it wasn't hit in the front, it got a small hit in the back. I'll also include a picture with the bumper off of what they find. So as I can see, it was hit on this side, and everything matched back well. The gaps are good. Only thing I see right here, I don't know if you can see it right here on the camera, you have the clear it runs. So they tell me to bring it back so they can wet sand it. Same thing on this side, they say bring it back so they can wet sand it. And there's something else down here, this flap down here, I didn't like how that looks, so they gonna go ahead and change that. And that's the only problem I have with it so far. Everything looking good, everything lining up. You can see panel gaps look good, no complaint there. I need some tire sheen on this tire look dirty. And apart from that, everything looking good. The inside smell like the products for the body shop, but smell like paint, I should say. But apart from that guys, it's drive good. I mean, nothing ever wrong with the suspension and everything, but it drive good. It start up fine. That's about that. Also guys, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. You can ask me whatever you want to ask about the process, and I will make a video telling you guys the process.